Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of home organization with a focus on a standout product: the TheWarmHome storage bins. These fabric storage baskets aren't just any baskets. They're designed to revolutionize how you organize your space, offering both functionality and style. Stick around as we unpack why these are the best large fabric baskets available right now. Imagine a world where clutter becomes a thing of the past. The TheWarmHome storage bins are crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Made from high-quality fabric and reinforced with a sturdy metal rod frame, these bins maintain their shape even when empty. The outer linen fabric combined with an inside lining ensures durability and longevity, making them a reliable companion for all your storage needs. Let's talk versatility. Whether you're organizing shelves, decluttering a closet, or tidying up a nursery, these bins offer the perfect solution. Available in a set of 3, each measuring 15.7 inches long, 11.8 inches wide, and 8.3 inches high. They fit seamlessly into various storage compartments. From clothes and toys to towels and books, there's no limit to what you can organize with these baskets. Picture this: a beautifully organized home where everything has its place. Thanks to the TheWarmHome storage bins, achieving this level of organization is not only possible but also stylish. Their neutral white and green color scheme blends effortlessly with any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your living space. Now, let's address maintenance. These bins feature a collapsible design for easy storage when not in use. To remove any creases, simply stuff them with blankets or steam iron at a low heat setting. For cleaning, a gentle wipe with soapy water is recommended, ensuring they stay in pristine condition for years to come. In summary, the TheWarmHome storage bins are more than just storage solutions. They're a testament to thoughtful design and functionality. Whether you're looking to streamline your home or searching for the perfect gift, these bins deliver on every front. Don't wait, click the link below to get yours today and experience the difference firsthand. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay organized and stay tuned for more reviews of the best products on the market. Happy organizing!